Hi, my name is Matteo Michelli. I'm in a group with Javier Danju and Ryan Collicutt, and we created a service called Bon Voyage. So the original idea for Bon Voyage came out of an attempt to try and stop drunk driving. So the service is pretty simple. It's a token-based system that allows people to request rides from drivers in their area, and in exchange for a token, the driver will pick somebody up and take them home. And the only way to get tokens is to offer rides to people, and the only way to get a ride is to offer a token in return. So it is not a paid service, although there might be ways to purchase tokens in the future. The idea is kind of a pay-it-forward system. So for the front end, we use HTML and CSS and JavaScript. It was the thing our front end designers were most comfortable with. And we designed with a mobile-first design. Eventually, we will bring it to desktop platforms. So we haven't connected the back end to the front end yet. So everything is basically purely cosmetic. Although we did have a Java server. We used the REST API and the Spring Boot framework. We just had trouble connecting. So this is our main interface. It's pretty simple right now. And like I mentioned, there actually isn't anything happening on the back end, but in theory, you would enter the app, you'd be able to see your username at the top, you'd be able to click on it and get any information about your profile. At the top, we just have the tokens that you currently have. So requesting a ride, you would just click this button, you would hit request a ride to your location, and you would be set into a list, and if you're a driver, you would click get a ride, and anyone in your vicinity who has requested a ride would show up, and you'd have a choice on who to pick up and who to give a ride to based on their location and their destination. Like I said, the biggest challenge was connecting the front end to the back end. So things to do in the future would definitely be to do that. And we also wanted to integrate a chat API to allow the driver and the rider to communicate. And definitely want to integrate some sort of maps API so that we can track the location of both the driver and the rider to be able to notify the rider when the driver has arrived and when they have ended up at their location. Well, anyway, this has been a demo of Bon Voyage. Thank you for watching.